What's up, Nopsters? Welcome back to Digital Noise. You're on episode 5 of Shutter Games. Alright guys, so episode 5 of Shutter Games. I think that's a milestone. I hope all of you who are watching now have watched the previous episodes. If you haven't, definitely go back and watch those episodes after this episode. But we have a beautiful day. We have a beautiful model. We have Hannah right over here. We're just gonna go and introduce the photographers that are shooting today. I will be shooting with the A7R4 with the 35. That could change depending on the challenge that we pick. Darius, this episode, you're on the 4th episode.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Baby, I'm back, yeah.
Once again, I hope y'all voting for me out there. Today I'm shooting with the A7 III with the Tamron 28-75. I'm gonna probably switch it to the 35 though, because I've been a little lazy using this zoom lens because it's so easy and I love it. I swear I do.
I know you do. And then we have Bennie. Bennie, you were in episode 1 and it's been a long time coming. You're back. What are you shooting with today?
I am shooting with the A6400.
Yeah.
And I am also using the same lens as Darius.
Oh yeah, that's right. You just picked that baby up. How do you like it?
All right, it's great.
Yeah.
Love it.
Using it most of the time.
Probably won't take it off either.
I knew it.
Not at all.
For model, we have Hannah right over here. Hannah, what's your Instagram, just in case?
Hannah.Murdoch_modeling.
Perfect. Awesome. So, how long have you been modeling for?
About a year now.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I've seen her stuff. Definitely give her a follow. We're going to be shooting with her today on this beautiful day. And we're going to see if we can bang out some really awesome photos. So stay tuned. We'll go to the challenge. All right, guys, welcome back. We have our handy dandy hat here with the challenges inside. Just like the previous episodes, I am going to mix these up. And then I will have our lovely model, Hannah, go ahead and pick the fate for our shoot today. I'm shaking it up. And we'll go ahead and have Hannah pick out blindly the challenge today.
All right.
What is the challenge for today?
Every other shot has to be landscape or portrait orientation.
That's pretty tough. I like that though. So it's like bam,
Yeah.
Ooh.
So you definitely have to slow down your shot.
bam.
Yeah.
It's a lot of bams.
Okay. Those of us who shoot mostly one orientation to the other. I usually shoot just portrait.
I'm straight up portrait, bro. I barely shoot landscape.
Yeah. Yeah, I think when you start, like I know when I started, I didn't know the difference, right? I just shot landscape and portrait even though I was shooting a model. So it just looked funny. Okay. Cool. We will be shooting every other shot, landscape and portrait for this challenge. Stay tuned for the order pick. All right, guys, welcome back. We have our hat. So I'm just gonna mix these up again and I'm gonna hand the hat around to the two photographers and then I'll just stick with the last one. So we'll see who goes first. All right, ready, Bennie? You're gonna go first to pick.
Don't look at it yet. Don't look at it.
All right, Darius. Ooh. Ooh.
Gotta get two?
I don't know. We'll see. Okay, open it up and
Hey,
reveal.
he's already opening yours.
Yes. Wait, no, that might not be good.
This is the first time.
You're number one.
So is it good to be first if you want to be first?
Yep.
Actually-
there's benefits behind it.
Get it
But
over with.
So the only thing that I don't like, because we're shooting so much later for this episode, you guys got more sunlight. Yeah, exactly. So,
and
but hey, guess what? I'm using a Sony, so that might not matter. Sponsored. I'm just kidding.
we all using Sony.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it won't matter regardless. No, I'm kidding. All right, so I'm third. Bennie, you're second. Darius, you're first. Stay tuned. We are going to start the challenge. All right, guys, welcome back. We have location change. Darius has decided to choose this awesome little fountain park area. We got the sun out, so he has different options. He can go with the trees over there, shoot into the water, whatever his heart desires. Are you guys ready to like shoot like right now? Are you guys ready?
Yeah, I'm just with it.
All right, let's go ahead. I'm gonna get the clock ready on my watch if you guys are ready. And as soon as I hit the timer, you guys start. 7 minutes. 7 minutes.
I'm with it.
7 minutes. Okay. Ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, action. Yeah, 5 minutes. Right. Oh, careful. Don't get wet. You're at 3 minutes, 48 seconds. Oh, that's good. That's pretty. That sunlight looks amazing. That sunset. It's probably coming out some things, so. Oh yeah, you're switching back and forth, right? I completely forgot you're supposed to do that. Sorry, I'm taking time away. You're 2 minutes, 2 minutes. I know. You're a minute 32. Time? Okay, awesome. Great.
Oh no!
Why does that always happen?
Because I'm huge.
How did that go?
Woo. You know what? 7 minutes is
7 minutes is good?
Yeah, that's decent time.
Is a good amount of time compared to
Yeah, that's
5 and
decent
10?
time. Yep.
I just hold it for now. And then Hannah, how did you feel about the first shoot?
It was good.
Yeah?
I felt
like
like
it?
with the timer, I felt like I needed to run,
Yeah.
to go from one place to the next.
Nah.
But
Yeah.
it was good.
You're good.
He was killing
Okay.
his poses.
She was killing it.
Yeah, she
and
was
that
killing
sunlight
these
was
poses.
really beautiful. Awesome. Okay, so that was Darius' take. We're going to go ahead and move to Benny's part of the challenge. Benny, are you ready to do this? Yeah. Awesome. Okay, so stay tuned. We're going to cut over to the new location, and we will see you there. All right, guys, welcome back. We are at our new location. We have Benny here, and he's ready to do the shoot. Hannah, all set, prepared. We're going to go ahead and put 7 minutes on the clock. Benny is a strobist. I like to call him a strobist. He's really dope with the strobe. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Was that a question?
All right, so I have the timer here. We will go in 3, 2, 1, action. seconds. Yep. Thank you. He's a Power Ranger. 3 minutes, 59 seconds. Yeah, I'll be 4 or 5, bro. We'll do more. We'll get another chance, I promise. Back that last one for a second. Yeah, light up that water. Two minutes. Yeah. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. What?
Did you see what he just did?
Yeah, he went through the thing.
Yeah, he went through. I was like, yeah.
He got a foreground element.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty dope. Awesome. What'd you think about that?
Kind of difficult.
Yeah?
The sun did not work in my favor today.
No.
It's okay.
Hey, you got some really great stuff. What about you, Hannah? How'd you feel about the second one?
It was really fun.
Yeah?
Like, the longer we're doing it, like, the more I'm enjoying it.
You enjoying it? Awesome. Well, that's good to hear. We
And
just
also, he was dancing while he was taking pictures.
yeah. So it added to the dynamic. I know. I should throw in some moves in there for my shoot next. No, I'm kidding. All right, awesome. So we just got done with Benny's shoot. He did an awesome job. We're gonna go ahead and move on to my part of the challenge, the last part of the challenge. See you there.
All right, guys, we're at our third photographer right here.
What up?
It's your boy Alan. You know what I'm saying? This is a location he chose to shoot in, well, to start shooting in. So we're gonna throw 7 minutes on the clock for him.
Yep. If I can get there.
On his clock,
On my clock.
he's getting there.
I'm getting there. Where is it? Okay, I have it ready.
All right, now here we go. In 3, 2. He doesn't even have his camera on. Yeah, he does. 3, 2, 1, and go.
All right, awesome. I'm gonna hand that. Hand me that. I'm gonna have you stand right over here, Hannah. If I can find the mic. Look. So you're not changing my settings or anything. So that's great. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna have you stand right in really dramatic, sort of like command over your head, like really like that, like stuff like very. Yes, beautiful, very good. Awesome. And I want you to look over to the side while you do that. Perfect. Awesome. Oh, am I doing the happy with the results. Everything looks like my style. How'd you feel?
It was super fun.
Yeah?
I was like a little sweaty, like from running around a bit, but
I know. I promise you
hopefully it
that
won't show up in the
it's not going to translate. Don't worry. I am a master manipulator in Photoshop, so you won't see a single sweat drop on my watch. So I hope you enjoyed that. We're going to go ahead and wrap up. I'll see you guys at the conclusion. All right, y'all. So we are done with today's epic episode 5. Thank you, Hannah, for being such an awesome model and joining us today for this episode. Darius, thank you again for being on another episode yet again of Shutter Games. I really appreciate that. Bennie, thank you again for coming after episode 1. Like I said, it was a long time coming. I'm glad to have you back. I want to ask one more thing of Hannah. What did you think about your time on the show?
It was super fun.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it. It was fun too to like every time you switch photographers, like everyone has a slightly different style, a different way of communicating.
Right.
And so having that brief time period as a model, it can be difficult to like learn how to communicate with them in such a short time, but I thought it was really fun and it was a good challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think Hannah did an awesome job communicating, going through, and then just like bearing with us and going through our shenanigans as photographers. If you're tuning in, do you have any ideas or any recommendations on challenge ideas in general? Let us know in the comment section down below. Also, let us know in the comment section if you even like this stuff. I'd really appreciate that, because that gives me feedback on what I'm doing wrong, if I'm doing anything wrong for this show. But yeah, thanks you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, definitely like and subscribe and hit that bell. That way you can get some notifications on newer episodes and some other awesome content that I have on the show. Definitely follow these guys. I know I put in the beginning of the episode their handles for Instagram, social media, whatnot. Yeah, show them your love and show them that you appreciate everything that we do. So I'll end it there, guys. Thank you again for watching. Peace out.